In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to share video from edits directly to your Instagram. This streamlines the workflow, saves time, and helps maintain video quality. By avoiding multiple exports and uploads, creators reduce the risk of compression that can occur when transferring files between apps. To do this, simply head to your Edits application. Now let's say this is the project you are working on. You want to first tap right here to export your project. A copy will also get saved to your phone gallery. Once done, tap onto this option of Share to Instagram. It will directly take you to Instagram. You just want to enter in your caption, add some tags, and then tap on the Share button to get uploaded on your Instagram account. Well, that's how easy it is to share your videos from edits directly to your Instagram account. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.